Did you know that some of the most successful people in the world have one thing in common? They all have a consistent morning routine. From Tim Cook to Oprah, the world's most successful people start their day with a set of habits that help them stay focused, energized, and productive throughout the day. In this video, I'm going to share a 5-step list on how to create a successful morning routine and boost your productivity. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, these critical steps will help you start your day off on the right foot and set yourself up for success. So, let's get it. Step 1. Plan your routine. It's important to take a moment to reflect on what you want to achieve with your morning routine and what activities will help you get there. Do you want to exercise, meditate, read, plan your day? Whatever it is, write it down and create a schedule that works for you. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, "But I'm not a morning person." Well, newsflash, neither was I. The truth is, creating a consistent morning routine can help you become one. So, embrace the early bird life and let's move on to step 2. Step 2, wake up at the same time every day. I know, this is much easier said than done. But trust me, it is a game changer when it comes to productivity. When you wake up at the same time every day, your body gets into a rhythm, and it becomes easier to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. So, set your alarm for the same time every day, yes, even on Saturdays and Sundays, and try to resist the urge to hit snooze. And if you need a little extra motivation, try putting your alarm clock across the room. That way, you have to physically get out of bed to turn it off, which will make it harder to crawl back under the covers. Step 3. Include time for exercise. But I hate exercise, and believe me, I get it. But the truth is, exercise is one of the most effective ways to boost your energy and productivity levels. It doesn't have to be a grueling workout either. Just a quick 10-minute yoga session or a brisk walk around the block can do wonders for your mood and energy levels. Incorporating exercise into your morning routine can help you establish a healthy habit that will carry over into the rest of your day. So, whether you're a gym rat or a reluctant exerciser, try to include some form of physical activity in your morning routine. Step 4. Prioritize self-care. This is not just taking a bubble bath. It can mean different things to different people, but the key is to include activities that nourish your mind and body. It could be taking a few minutes to meditate, writing down things you're grateful for, or spending time with loved ones. Just make sure to prioritize self-care in your morning routine. You don't have to become a wellness guru overnight. Just find activities that work for you and make them a regular part of your morning routine. By doing this, you can help reduce stress, improve your mental health, and increase your resilience to challenges throughout the day. Step 5. Stay consistent. Consistency is absolutely critical when it comes to forming habits, so try to stick with your routine as consistently as possible. It may take some time to adjust, but with patience and perseverance, you can create a morning routine that works for you and helps you achieve your goals. And just remember, it's okay to slip up every now and then. Life happens, and sometimes we oversleep or forget to meditate. But the important thing is to get back on track as soon as possible and not let one slip-up derail your progress. So, there you have it. A very high-level 5-step list on how to create a great morning routine. Now, you'll notice I left off one very common morning routine. But where's the coffee? Listen, I love a cup of coffee as much as the next person. But the truth is, relying on caffeine to get you through the day is not a sustainable solution. Before you all yell at me, I'm not saying don't drink coffee. I would never suggest such a thing. Instead, I'm trying to focus on establishing these healthy habits we went over, and you will naturally boost your energy and productivity levels. Remember, a good morning routine isn't just about productivity. It's about starting your day off on the right foot and setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. So, embrace the early morning hours and take some time for yourself before diving into the hustle and bustle of daily life. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Click that notification bell to make sure you don't miss future videos. And if you have any additional items in your routine, let us know how they are working out for you in the comments below. See you next time.